is Will Carpenter. Today's words definition. A journey or voyage. 3 synonyms: excursion, tour, jaunt. Etymology 1390, trippin'. And if you thought trip, well, you'd be right. Is it time to rip a trip? Well, let's take a look at 2 here. And this speaks to motion, direction towards a point. And we might be able to say that this is the point they're talking about. 3 points. That sounds like an easy expression for a trip. So we have the beginning, the middle, and the end. That sounds like a trip. But let's talk about tripping. This is kind of close to it. From the 1960s, LSD was real big, folks. And this is the call letters for lysergic acid, and this is for diethylamide. But I'd like to take these 3 letters and let's come up with our own trip using our own letters. So how about light, sound, dance? And thanks to the sun, every day we're dancing to the sound of light. We are tripping.